Can we stop someone from taking screenshots on Instagram story? Hello everybody, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to find out, so let's just dive right into the video. So for that you can directly head over to your story at the top, tap on your story. And when you go ahead and tap on your story like this, you will be finding your story. So if you want to stop someone from taking screenshots on Instagram story, unfortunately you can't directly prevent screenshot of Instagram story. But you can't prevent the Instagram story. But what you can do is instead is you can use the close friend feature to share it with a selected group, and by using view once or allow replay indirect messages. So in order to use the close friends, you can go ahead and tap on your story plus icon, and then before sharing it you can tap on this close friend option and select up the people that you would like to share it to. For now, this is the method you can apply up in order to stop someone from taking screenshot on Instagram story. So there is no technical solution for it entirely, as anyone with access to the screen can take one. So that's it for now. That is how we find out we cannot do it. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.